Friends, I'm Rajnikant. Welcome you to my YouTube channel Sumant Digital English Tutorial Videos. Dear guys, I have brought some more explanations of the lesson 1, A Girl with Basket, for 12th class students. The lesson is written by W.C. Douglas. Dear guys, the reference can be used as we had used in the previous video lecture. These lines have been taken from the lesson A Girl with Basket, written by William C. Douglas. The passage is, I was a prisoner up to ring any heart. Dear guys, its context. At one station, the writer was surrounded with many children selling baskets and fans. These were refugee children. The writer liked the baskets very much. He bought a tiny basket, a fruit basket, a waste paper basket, sewing basket, and few fans. Now its explanation. At one of these stations, many children surrounded the writer. They were selling baskets and fans. The writer felt as if he were a prisoner. He could not move because every child was pressing him to purchase his basket. Among the children, there was a beautiful girl of 9 years. She had beautiful basket and demanded a rupee and a half for it. She was very sincere but looked very miserable. Everybody would have felt pity on her. The next passage, it starts from, my arms were full, ... up to back to me. Reference can be used as before, and now the context. At one station, the writer was surrounded by many little children who were selling hand-woven baskets and fans. These were refugee children. He bought a tiny basket, a fruit basket, a waste paper basket, a lovely sewing basket, and few fans. His hands were filled. Just then a beautiful girl of 9 came and stood before him. She had a lovely basket and wanted a rupee and a half for it. She begged the author to buy it. Explanation. The writer did not want to buy any more basket as his hands were already full. In order to get rid of the girl, he took out a handful of change and dropped it into the basket of the girl as a gratuity. He tried to convince the girl that he could not buy any more basket. But the writer soon realized that he had done a great offense. The girl had a great sense of self-respect. She took it as an insult. She did not take the money as gift. She was poor and dressed in rags. She was on the point of starvation. Despite her poverty, she kept her dignity and returned the money to the writer. The next passage. I realized at once ... up to that night. Reference can be used as before. Now context. Among the little children selling baskets, there was a 9-year-old beautiful girl. She had a lovely basket with a handle. She wanted a rupee and half for it, but the author had no need of any more basket. So he put about 15 cents in her basket as a substitute. But soon the author realized that he had done a great offense. Now it's an explanation. The writer was not in need of any more basket. So he gave her 15 cents as a gratuity. But soon the writer felt that he had done a great mistake. The child was wearing torn clothes and was almost starving. But she did not lose her dignity and self-respect. She at once returned the money to the writer. The writer guessed that matter and purchased the basket. The little child was in fact the symbol of grace and dignity of the people of India. The writer was very much impressed by the high character of Indians. The next passage from I told this story ... up to and citizenship. Subject reference can be used as before. Now context. A little girl wanted to sell a basket to the writer which he did not need. But just to oblige the girl, he put some coins in the basket of that girl, which she did not accept and returned with pride and grace. Explanation. The author narrated the story of this little basket girl to Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the Prime Minister of India. The author admits that the sense of pride and graciousness displayed by the little girl had charmed him, and he started loving India on that account. The writer further admits that Indian people at large, from the simple village to the person working in big office, have displayed self-respect and flair for brisk fairness and citizenship. Now, the most important passage. The people are up to soul of India. This passage was asked in 15, 16, 17 and 18 continuously. Reference can be used as we had used in other passages. Now context. Some small children at the station were selling baskets and fans. The writer bought some baskets from them. Now he needed no more basket. At the same time, a 9-year-old girl pressed him to buy her basket also. But the writer gave her 15 cents as gratuity. The girl returned it to the writer. The writer was much impressed by her grace and dignity. Explanation. In these lines, the author sums up his views about Indians. The writer noted that Indians had a high sense of self-respect, dignity and citizenship. They were sincere, honest and hard-working. He found these qualities in the people of rural as well as urban areas. The Indians were very anxious for their independence also. Even the poor people were honest. They earned money only by working hard. The little girl was the symbol of all these things. Dear guys, it was all. Hope you must have enjoyed this video. Watch this video again and again, and thanks for watching. Bye.
हो गया।